Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss a question named TwoSum. The question is given an array of integers num and an integer target. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Means we have to return the indices of that number which combine to form the target. If the number doesn't exist, then we have to return an empty list. So for that we have the solution here. We first need to create an empty dictionary. Why are we creating empty dictionary? It will store the numbers, value of numbers and its index. Also we are using for loop for I comma num in enumerate nums. Enumerate, we are using enumerate because it is a built-in Python function that return both index and the value of each element in the nums. Now we are creating another variable on complement, which will check the difference between target and num, and if complement is found in num map, then it will return a list of num map complement, the value it store, and I, the current index. Finally it will update num map num with every new element it gets. Lastly, if no if statement is executed, it will return a empty list. Let's check the program. And it is giving 100% clarification. All the test cases are passed. Thank you.